Welcome to Siam Legal. I'm Pod, a legal intake specialist. Today, we're here to answer your question about notary services in Thailand and how they can support your legal needs. In Thailand, notary services are often required when you need to verify the authenticity of documents, confirm identities, or witness signatures. These services are essential for both personal and business transactions that involve important agreements, property transfer, or international documents. Using a notary adds a layer of authenticity and trust, ensuring that your documents hold legal weight both in Thailand and abroad. Let's explore the specific services offered by notaries, or more accurately, Notarial Services attorneys in Thailand. In Thailand, licensed Notarial Services attorneys perform a range of functions. These include verifying the authenticity of signatures, certifying identities for parties in agreements, administering oaths and affirmations, attesting and certifying various classes of documents, certifying copies of government-issued documents, and witnessing the signing of agreements and other important documents. Please note that the Notarial Services attorneys are not authorized to certify the accuracy of the content of original documents. Many types of legal documents require notarization, especially when they need to be used in other countries. Commonly notarized documents include international contracts, power of attorneys, copies of passport and ID cards, Thai birth and marriage certificates, educational certificates from Thai universities, criminal record certificates, and business documents like company resolutions and meeting minutes. In Thailand, only licensed Notarial Services attorneys can offer notarial services, and they must be registered with the Lawyers Council of Thailand. At Siam Legal, we offer a team of experienced notaries who are fully qualified to assist with all of your notarial needs. When choosing a notary, it's essential to confirm their certification and expertise, as some documents may require additional steps, such as further legalization at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs or the relevant embassy. For any notarial services you may need, from affidavits to document certifications, Siam Legal is here to assist. Contact us today to ensure your documents are professionally and accurately notarized. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.